Welcome to Insider Week. In this video, I'm going to show to you the trading results from our commodity and futures trading according to COT data in week number 35. For week number 35, we had a total net result of minus $10,023. This is a huge result that comes from our rolling contract. So this is still an open position, however, due to rolling contracts, we had to realize losses, but we're still in that position. In our second strategy, the champion strategy, we could realize 3 trades, namely cocoa, where we had a almost break-even result, a coffee, where we had a loss of $4,107, and lean hogs, where we realized a gain of $1,280. This gives us a net result for the week of minus $10,023. We started into the week with a portfolio that consisted of 1 open position, namely 4 short contracts in the 30-year T-bonds. We were exposed to a rolling date, so at the end of the week we are still in that position, however with a new contract. Additionally, we have 2 new open positions, namely 2 long contracts in gasoline and 2 long contracts in natural gas. Let's have a look at each trade individually. First market, 30-year T-bonds. Here you can see that we received 3 sell signals in a row. Because the sell signal was in harmony with seasonal trend, we decided for a short trade. On the daily chart you can see the short trade. As we were seeing a strong up move, we were sure that the trend reversal slowly happens and will be accompanied by corrections. We expected that, so we put our stop loss far enough away from the current price. However, here we were stopped out because it was a rolling contract. We closed the trade in the old contract and opened it in a new contract. As you can see, we adjusted our stop loss, made it more close to the current price, and we saw a bearish Friday which follows the seasonal trend. And so we expect to see further lower prices, such that we expect our target price to be reached. Next market, natural gas. As you can see, we received a lot of buy signals here, which however were not in line with seasonal trend. The current buy signal is in line with seasonal trend, so we decided to trade this market on the long side. On the daily chart, you can see that we entered this market a while ago and we were stopped out unfortunately with a loss. As you can see from the following price moves, our setup was correct and our buy signal was valid and confirmed. However, the timing was not right. And now we entered this market again and now we are slightly in the win. We expect to see higher prices in this market such that we can outbalance our last loss and then go into the profit zone. Next market, gasoline. As you can see, we had a strong uptrend in this market. The commercials went extremely long, which produced our buy signal. On the daily chart, you can see that there are strong impulse waves. There was already a strong up move and we are quite late here. That's because we stick to our trading rules and our entry pattern just appeared this week. As you can see, the price didn't develop so far as expected. We have our stop loss on the low from Wednesday, and next week we will see where price will finally move and whether we will gain profits from this trade. As always, a few words on our second strategy, the so-called champion strategy. As mentioned before, here we were stopped out in coffee and we closed the positions in cocoa and lean hogs. Furthermore, we opened a position in Canadian dollar, and now at the end of this week we are left with this position. In total, we realized a loss of $2,648 this week. That means this week we were not able to reach a new all-time high. If you're interested to have a look at the trades we've taken in the past, you can click on our website on the COT1 strategy or COT2 strategy to observe these trades because we are very transparent. If you're interested in having your personal account at Insider Week or getting to know more information about our strategies, please follow the links down below this video. Now let's have a look at CRB index as usual. As you can see, the commodity prices overtook the last week's bar, so we can see that CRB index is still strong. We will take this into account and we will focus more on the bullish signals that we receive compared to the sell signals. What trades are you planning to take for the next week? Which markets are you observing? Please write it in the comments, and if you're already there, take the chance to give this video a like, such that we know that you're interested in getting to see more videos about COT trading and our futures trading strategies. And don't forget to subscribe this channel such that you also can take advantage of the future videos. That's it from our side this week. We wish you all many successful trades for the next trading week, and as always, be aware of the risk, because risk management is the key to success in trading.